This is the Broadway Limited Alco 4664 Challenger. It's the predecessor to the Big Boy and the second largest working steam locomotive still in existence. This is the new in-scale version of it, brand new model. It's got smoke, and we're going to be taking a look at this mighty miniature. And you know what? We're gonna give one away too.
What did he say?
I want to give a big thank you to this week's sponsor, Model Railroad Academy. They have all sorts of videos, tutorials, tips, and tricks for all sorts of model railroading things. You can check them out at the link in the description. And right now, you can get your first full year of premium membership for $1.49. That's like 90% off of what the normal price is. And you can check that out at the link in the description below. It's Model Railroad Academy. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and be featured just like these guys right here, you can do that in the comments below, and who knows, you might see your name pop up on an episode of Coffee and Trains. Cheers, guys. The Challenger was built by the American Locomotive Company, or ALCO, between 1936 and 1945. These were built for the big mountain grades of the Rockies and the Sierras that the Union Pacific had to tackle. And 105 of these were built for the Union Pacific, with an additional 6 built for the Denver, Rio Grande, and Western. 2 of them are actually still in existence today, one being 3985, which is currently under restoration after its retirement in 2010, and 3977, which is on static display in North Platte, Nebraska. Now, in case you were thinking that these look very similar to Big Boys, that's because the Big Boys are basically redesigned Challengers. Let's take a look at the model. Now, this model is exactly what you would expect from Broadway Limited. This is the 3985 Excursion version, which has the oil burning tender. It has all the detail you would expect from a Broadway Limited steam engine. Everything from separately applied details and molded on sections to look sharp. The engine is a beauty. It's also a very solid model with some nice weight to it, which makes it a good puller. Now, the big party trick of this engine is the smoke generator, and we're going to look at that right after we take a listen to some of the sounds. I should also point out that you do have 2 whistle choices with this, like with most Paragon 4 engines. And with this one, in this case, it's that tritone whistle that everybody knows it for in the Excursion version. So these engines do have smoke generators as well, and this is something that Broadway Limited has been integrating into its larger in-scale steam engines. They each require a different amount of fluid. Now, my personal favorite smoke is JT's Mega Steam. You can get it in a bunch of different scents. I'm using cotton candy for this run. Now, the BLI Big Boy can hold 60 tiny drops from the dropper. I know that sounds crazy, but that's what fits. Since this model is similar but smaller, I'm going to start with 30. Now, be sure you have the power to the track turned off when you do this. Once you are loaded and the track power is on, you activate the smoke using function button 7. This will activate the smoke unit for a certain amount of time. Its default is set to 60 seconds. You can adjust this by changing CV to 18. One CV value equals 2 seconds, so the default is 30. Now I do have the UP Excursion train that I can hook up to this, so let's run this around my layout with those UP Excursion passenger cars. Now, if you stayed this long, here's the fun part. I actually have another one of these, number 3977, Paragon 4. It's in that two-tone gray paint scheme with the oil tender and the wind wings. I am going to be giving this away right now. All you have to do is go to the form and the link in the description and fill in your email. I'm not filling out an email list or anything, just making it easier to contact the winner. I'll wait a few days and then pick a random name. Good luck, everybody. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.